I'm going to take you on a journey through Epic Video AI, which boasts the first true text to video creation, or better yet, image to video creations, meaning you have video assets for any project you want that comes into your mind. Speaking of image to video, you don't have to search for images to use to make motion videos, because of course, text to image is included too. So think about that. With EVA, you could think of any image and then turn it into motion videos based on that image as well to get consistent results. First, bring your imagination to life by creating superb text to images, or even portraying yourself or your client or even a celebrity in any outfit within any scene. But it gets better, because for both images and videos, you can create 4 scene stories. You could swap out someone's face for another, and you can even make subjects of your videos and images speak with lip sync.
I'm Brandon with your latest weather update.
The best part, you could do this inside of the popular free image and video editor Canva. We're completely integrated with that platform. Here, let me give you a brief demonstration of just how easy it is to bring your imagination to life. Unlike other text-to-image software, for starters, what we can do is create various different scenes. For instance, if you look in the box at the top, here in our image section, we actually put in a pre-written prompt that we wrote out and put on a document. It just says, a beautiful, modern, and classy lady wearing a white gown with a slight smirk, detailed skin face and eyes with natural lighting. Now look what we have on the right here. It says create story. One scene, we wanted her seated in an office. There she is, seated in an office. Then we wanted her standing in an office lobby. We actually put her in an office lobby automatically. Holding a book. There she is, holding a book right there, and looking through her office window. And that's, of course, the last scene on the right. Now, you could loop these together in a video, or perhaps you're creating an image, a book filled with images. You could do anything with these various different related scenes with the same person, or the same AI person, being highlighted. That's just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more you can do. Look how we can take a prompt. You can see the prompt right there that we wrote. And what we can do is we could just put that prompt into the box. And then by clicking on personalize on the right-hand side, there it is. You see where we actually uploaded an image of Tom Cruise right into there. So basically, we are going to create a scene of a photorealistic selfie of a smart-looking American model dressed in a pale gray vested suit with a slight smirk, highly detailed, exciting city atmosphere. All right, we're going to do that right now, and it will look like Tom Cruise in each one of the outputs. And when I say each one of the outputs, it's because we chose to have 4 output unrelated images. So there's the Tom Cruise image right there. Okay, that's what we actually used to create those 4 new Tom Cruises. Okay, the third one is a little bit goofy. The ones that I really like, obviously, the first, second, and the fourth, all really good. I even like that third one. All right, so that's how we do personalization. Now, there's one other option that we have in addition to personalization, and that is called pose control. Now, pose control also allows us to upload an image, just like we did with Tom Cruise, but this time, it's not to change the face, not the facial features, but the actual way the body is going to mold itself. You'll see what I mean. We're going to copy the body position of one image. For that, let me pass this over to my partner, who has a great demonstration of how pose control works.
So first we have to type in a prompt. So something like photo shoot of a woman on the beach in a flowing dress staring over her shoulders. So I'm going to select pose control out here and upload an image, all right, for pose control. So I'm going to select this image. Let me show you how it looks. All right, this is Salma Hayek. All right, so I'm going to select this, wait for it to upload, and then click on generate. It takes a few seconds to generate, so all right, here we go. So this is how post control would work.
Now, while all this is really amazing, especially that facial feature, how you could take an exact face of somebody and actually put them anywhere, this gets even better when you go straight from text to video or image to video. Here, let's take a look. Here's a beautiful scene that we have created. Basically, this is how the prompt read that we produced it. Mysterious, enchanted, and intricate detail of a sunken ship in a vivid coral reef with schools of colorful fish swimming. And this, believe it or not, is that incredible result. But remember the woman that we did before that we created a story for? What if we could actually put her in motion? All right, so by clicking Create Story on the right and then taking a prompt like this, a beautiful, modern, and classy lady wearing a white gown with a slight smirk, detailed skin and face and eyes, natural lighting. As you can see, that's basically what we've got here. All right, and then remember before we said seated in her office for one scene? There's the office. Standing in an office lobby, there's the lobby. Holding a book, there's the book. And looking through her office window, there's the windows. Can you believe this? We've just created a full AI story. Now the next thing is we could do pose control for her as well. Remember we did the pose control in the images? We could do pose control in videos as well. The only difference this time is, of course, there's motion. Now the personalization feature that you just saw me click, that is really cool because you could actually do people's faces like we did before when we were doing Tom Cruise. We could do that for motion as well. Here, watch. We're going to upload a Tom Cruise image like we did before. I'm going to open it up. And then once that's uploaded, we're going to apply it to the actual face. We're going to apply it. And this time we've created a Tom Cruise image. And there's Tom Cruise. So we've got a very interesting image here. This is our classy businessman. And we put the Tom Cruise face in. But now we could go one step further. If we want, we could actually get him to lip sync. So we have a choice of face swapping, where we can put in someone else's face. We could upscale it, or we could lip sync. Now, if we lip sync, what we do is we load in an audio file, all right? And if we load in an audio file, we could make Tom Cruise, basically, we can make him speak. So what we've done is we've loaded in what's called EVA.mp3. That's just what we call the audio file. And now watch when we click on lip sync. There's Tom Cruise actually speaking. Although we did load in a female voice.
Hi, I am Eva, meaning Epic Video AA.
This time I've regenerated Tom Cruise, but we're going to use the face swap feature. Now the face swap feature allows us to put in somebody else's face into Tom Cruise. So we just loaded in an image of Leonardo DiCaprio, and there's Leo. But the best part is you could do all this stuff inside of Canva itself. Watch this demonstration from one of my partners, Anshu.
Hello everybody. So today we are going to see the Synthesys AI video app inside of Canva. So this is how the interface looks like. The app is located out here. You have a text box out here to enter your text prompts. So for example, let me type in a simple text prompt like all right, my prompt is frog on a lily pad 3D animation. So now I'm going to click on generate. You can now see the progress bar out here. Usually it is ready within less than 1 minute. There we go. So you can see the frog on a lily pad like we just entered in the prompt. So you can add it to your project by just clicking on it. And here the video has been added to your Canva project. So let me just expand it a little bit. All right. Now to delete this video from your Canva project, all you have to do is select it and then delete it. And now let's try a little more complex text prompt. Okay, so something like this one. So the prompt is a dog walking down the street at sunset with the sun setting in the background, and person walking down the street. Furry art, anime, visual anime. All right. So I'm going to click on generate again. Here is the video that has been rendered. So you can again click on it and it'll get added to your Canva project. All right. So this is how you can actually create short videos using text prompts in the AI videos Canva app. Now, if you want to see the generations that you have created in the past, you can click on go to generations out here. And it will show you all the videos that you have generated in the past.
Now, I know this is a lot, but man, it's easy. And EVA is really an open canvas of what you could create with no limits. In fact, once you have all these pieces and understand how to create them, you could use them within any video editor to make even more robust videos than you've ever imagined before, filled with as many EVA AI creations as you want. No need for stock footage or stock images, and much more targeted to whatever is in your mind. Before we end the demo, consider this. Those text to videos that you just saw just in the last 30 seconds were edited in to make this video look even better. Imagine what this can do for the videos that you work on for yourself or your clients.